In this video, we will show you how to replace your hood lift support. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is open up the hood and make sure it's supported by something. After that, you can make it over to the corner of the hood to remove the lift support. This can easily be done using one simple tool, either a small screwdriver or a pick. Up along the top area, you're going to find that you have a metal clip. If you carefully get underneath that, you can lift it up and away from the lift support. Now that we have the top disengaged, let's find our way down to the bottom and do the exact same thing. Okay friends, let's get ready to install our hood lift support. You want to make sure you have it in this orientation so that the piston is facing down. Go ahead and take that and put it in position down along the bottom first. Once you hear a click, we can move up to the top and press it in as well. You can spin the top to line it up as needed. Once you have it in there, give it a little wiggle to make sure it's secured along the top and the bottom. The process will be the exact same thing for other side of the vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.